says Nicola throws an ordinary fair six-sided die. The random variable x is the number of throws she takes to obtain a six. Now, as soon as it says the number of throws she takes to obtain a six, it means that we will be finding it through geometric distribution. Okay? So I'll not write it completely. We'll be using geometric distribution. Now it says find the probability that x is less than 8. Now what this means is that she has to get a 6 before the 8th attempt. Now for x is less than 8, what you can do is you can say, sir, she can get an 8 on the first attempt. What will be the probability? You will say, sir, that's 1 upon 6. She can also get an 8 on the second attempt. It means the first attempt will be a failure, and then on the second attempt, she gets a 6. I hope everyone understands that probability of getting a 6 is 1 upon 6, and not getting a 6 is 5 upon 6. The probability that Nicola gets a 6 on the third attempt will be she will get two failures. So 5 upon 6 into 2 power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 6 plus. And I want you people to at least start putting these values in the calculator. So by the time I'm finished writing, we'll have the final answer with us. Okay. Now the probability of getting a 6 on the fourth attempt, it means 3 failures, 5 upon 6 to the power 3 multiplied by 1 upon 6 plus, if I'm talking about the fifth attempt, it will be 5 upon 6 to the power 4, 4 failures, and then on the fifth attempt you get it, and then so on and so forth. I will go until 7. So 5 failures, and then you get a 6. 6 failures, and then you get a 6, and that is it. Because it has to be less than 8. So the maximum we can go is she gets a 6 on the seventh attempt, right? So this is the total probability that we have to calculate. Please put this up in your calculators. Or the second method is that if you are finding x is less than 8, what we can do is we can subtract 1 from 7 failures. So now what this means is that over here, what we did was we found each of the probabilities for the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth attempt. To find x is less than 8, what we can do is we can find the probability for 7 failures and then subtract it for 1 from 1, and we'll get the probability that she gets a 6 before the 8th attempt. Okay, so what's the answer? Has someone calculated this in the calculator?
Sorry, एक मिनट.
Okay, wait, I have done it. I will just do it on the calculator as well. So 1 minus 5 upon 6 to the power of 7, that will make it 0.721. So in from both ways, your answer should be 0.721. In part B, it says that find the probability that Nicola obtains a 6 for the second time on her 8th throw. It means in the first 7 throws, she gets a 6 only one time. So you can say, sir, 7C1. Out of 7 attempts, she only gets 1 6. The probability is 1 upon 6 into 5 upon 6 to the power of 6. It means there were 6 failures and only one success where you got a 6. And then on the 8th throw, you get a 6. So that probability will be 1 upon 6 into 5 upon 6. Please substitute this in your calculators, and I will do so as well, and let's figure out what the answer is. So 1 upon 6, जल्दी से आप लोग भी कर लो, 5 upon 6 multiplied by 7. C1 is 7 multiplied by again 1 upon 6, and then multiplied by, you put a bracket, and that will become 5 upon 6 to the power of 6. सही कर रहे हैं ना? I hope so. कुछ गलती है, I think I've made. Have you made a mistake over here? Hmm.
Sir, syntax error. I don't know why.
Wow, syntax error तो फिर आपकी गलती होगी ना कोई. She obtains a 6 for the second time. So in the first 7 attempts, she get 1 6. 1 upon 6 is fine. अरे गलती कर रहा हूं मैं, रुक जाओ एक मिनट. हाउ कैन दिस बी? ये 1 आ गया, ये 6 7 8 9. नो नो, दिस शुड ओनली बी 1 अपॉन 6 बेटा. दिस शुड ओनली बी 1 अपॉन 6. दिस कैन नॉट बी 5 अपॉन 6 ओवर हियर, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ सक्सेस की निकाल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सक्सेस की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 अपॉन 6 है. वो तो मैंने, इफ आई ऐड 5 ओवर 6 ओवर हियर, दिस विल ब्रिंग अबाउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द नाइन्थ थ्रो. तो ये देखो, ये सेवन थ्रोज हो गई और एट्थ थ्रो वाज दिस वन. So on the eighth row, the probability is 1 upon 6. You just have to multiply by 1 upon 6. Let me just correct it in the calculator. Okay. So when I substitute this in the calculator, I will get, I got it now. Okay. So this is 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 over 6 to the power of 6. 0.06511. So you will getting 0.065119. And as you have to give your answer to three significant figures, that will make it 0.0651. That would be the final answer. So please be careful with this mistake that I just made. On the eighth attempt, the probability of getting a 6 is 1 upon 6. We can't write 1 upon 6 into 5 upon 6. That is giving us probability for two different throws. So on the eighth attempt, it should just be 1 upon 6.